Mang Valentine's ang huling araw ng 16th Philippine Hot Air Balloon Fest sa Clarksville, Pampanga. Nakatutok doon live si Jamie Santos. Jamie.
Jiggy Love is really in the air dito sa 16th Philippine Hot Air Balloon Fest. Isang wedding proposal pa nga ang ating nasaksihan kani-kanina lang. Perfect ang pagkakataong ito para kay Charles Salonga para sambitin ang pinakahihintay na tanong sa kanyang girlfriend for 8 years na si Catherine Malyare. Gustong-gusto raw kasi nito ang mag-skydive. Pagbaba nito mula sa itaas, nakaluhod na nag-aabang si Charles para ibigay ang singsing. Matamis na oo naman ang sagot ni Catherine.
I'm kind of shaking right now. I don't know. Still in shock. I wasn't really expecting anything.
Do you feel happy?
Yeah, I feel happy, of course.
You know, she always wanted to do a skydive, so I had to give her one of the two things that she's always been asking for me. So one was get married, and the other, of course, was a skydive, and I did it all in one go, one sweep.
Sina Raymond at Rose naman, 8 buwan pa lang magkasintahan.